everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature some hair transformations. This first one kicks things off with this undercut style pixie. She does end up getting a bit of color in the hair as well with this particular transformation, making it a very edgy and modern haircut idea. So moving on to the next transformation, she's also going to be going from long hair to short, and it looks like she's going to be getting a bob haircut. And then we see the next transformation, which also features a bob. Gorgeous. She ended up getting a blunt bob haircut with this transformation, and the blonde color looks gorgeous. So then we see the transformation of this lob with much needed highlights added as well. And then we see another pixie undercut. Gorgeous, loving the two-toned blonde coloring with this one. And then we do see another pixie haircut transformation. This one is going to feature an undercut as well, and it is by Chris Jones Hair. Now the stylist is adding a line detailing there on the side. This is a very hot trend at the moment. A lot of stylists are adding design detailing to pixie cuts and undercuts, and it is really a trend that is edgy and just adds some like a nice little design to the overall aesthetic for the pixie haircuts. Stylist is also keeping the bangs longer with this particular cut as well. And then we do see another major long to short hair transformation. So if you guys haven't already done so, don't forget to like today's video if you are inspired by any of these haircut ideas. And of course, be sure to hit the subscribe button if you want to stay up to date on all the latest and hottest hair trends. Looks like the stylist is doing a pixie haircut for this particular transformation. Alright you guys, so thanks for coming back for another video. If you enjoyed any of these hairstyles, be sure to hit that subscribe button and I will see you next time.